Hi everyone, today I am making a crispy, spicy snack that's popular during festive seasons. Kuih Siput Pedas, also known as spicy shell cookies or Kaara Sippi, is a popular Malaysian festive snack. The name siput means snail or shell in Malay because of the snack's unique shape made using a mould or fork. This version is completely eggless, yet still crunchy and delicious. Let's start with the spices. Take 1 tablespoon cumin seeds, 1 tablespoon fennel seeds, and 1 tablespoon coriander seeds. Place them in a pan. Roast them over a low heat for 2 to 3 minutes to draw out the lovely fragrance. You may also use powdered spices for an easier version. Let the spices cool down. Then pour the spices into a small blender. Add 3 sprigs curry leaves and 1/4 cup of water. Grind until the spices turn into a smooth paste. In a bowl, add 2 cups of all-purpose flour. The gram measurements and recipe are in the description below. Also add 1 teaspoon salt, half tablespoon curry powder, and half teaspoon red chili powder. More chili powder may be added for a spicier version. Now add the spice paste we prepared earlier. Next, add 2 tablespoons of margarine or vegan butter. For extra crispiness, heat the margarine or butter on low heat and pour into the sifted flour while still hot. Rub it into the flour mixture until it looks crumbly. Now add 1 tablespoon of rice flour and 2 tablespoons of corn flour. These flours can be added earlier with the all-purpose flour. Mix well. Now pour in thick coconut milk a little at a time. The amount of coconut milk should be adjusted according to your flour. Please note this is coconut milk, not coconut cream. If using coconut cream, please dilute it first. Usually the ratio to dilute is 1/4 cup coconut cream to 1 cup water. Now the dough is coming together. It should be still slightly firm. In all, I use slightly less than half cup coconut milk. Knead for 2 to 3 minutes into a firm but pliable dough. It should not be sticky. Cover and keep aside for around 15 minutes. This is a type of mold used for making this kuih siput or chippi. It has grooves like this to form the shapes on the shells. You may also use the back of a fork to create the shell shapes. Let's check the dough now. Give it a quick knead to smoothen out the dough. That looks perfect. We are ready to shape the snacks. Pinch off small pieces of dough. Then roll each piece over a kuih siput mold to create the signature shell pattern. It is important to flatten the dough as thinly as possible, then roll it into small shells. This will keep the snacks crunchy. Otherwise, during frying, the outside layer will cook too fast while the inside layer is still soft. Place all the shells on a plate that has been dusted with some flour so they don't stick to the plate. It is advisable to get your family members to join in this fun activity and to help speed up the rolling process. Now all the dough has been shaped into cute shells. Heat oil over low-medium flame. The oil should not be too hot to ensure even cooking of the kuih siput. Fry the shells in batches until golden brown and crispy. In the last batch, add 2 sprigs of curry leaves in the oil. This will add a lingering fragrance to the snacks as we munch on them. Once cooled completely, store Kuih Siput in an airtight container. These eggless Kuih Siput Pedas stay crunchy and are perfect to enjoy with family and friends. Drain on paper towels. If you love crispy, spicy snacks, give this eggless Kuih Siput a try. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more delicious recipes. Happy cooking! See you in the next video.